Hello and greetings. Marion. These students would like to play a game. Let me set up for them. By the way, I found the scroll. I thought I lost it forever.
Wow, that's great. Artisans, let's learn how to do the Papermade replacement. Let's get started, shall we? On your turn, your active Papermade puppy was fainted previously. You can replace your bench Papermade kitty on the field. Let's replace your Papermade. To do so, you roll a dice. You get number 5. Place your kitty on the 5 tile. Now, place the charge token on kitty stat card, with the same amount of charge. Your Papermade can place on any tile, even the tile has a fragment, incident or portal on it. You can replace once, only during your main phase. After you replaced your Papermade, can it move? Well, let's find out. If your active Papermade has not moved before replacement, you can move your new active Papermade after replacement. In this scenario, Kitty can collect a fragment. Proceed to fragment replacement. You rolls a 1. Place the new fragment on the 1 tile. Since your Papermade has not moved yet, Kitty can move to collect another fragment, then proceed to fragment replacement. If your Papermade faints during your turn, you may skip your replacement this turn, but you must replace it on your next turn. If your Papermade faints previously on your opponent's turn, you must replace your Papermade this turn. Remember, you can replace once, during your turn only. Let's recap what we have learned. First of all, to replace your Papermade, roll a dice. Place your Papermade on the tile of the rolled number. You can place on any tile, even it has fragment, incident or portal on it. Replacement is one of the activity in main phase, which mean you can do any other activity, before or after replacement. You can replace once, and only during your main phase. What happens if your Papermade faints? We will explain it in Papermade Faints episode. As of now, I believe you have gone through all the activities in main phase. See you again on the next episode, end phase. Cheers.